Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Bitget notifications. All right. So you actually have two options. First option, you can go ahead and disable notifications entirely for the Bitget app using your system's settings. Okay. So for Android, you can go ahead and go to the Bitget app icon, tap and hold onto it. Now go ahead and tap on the information icon right here, or app info. Now we have notifications, tap on it and just disable it. Okay. And then once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if you're using iOS, just go ahead over to settings, then notification, go ahead and find Bitget, and again, toggle off allow notifications. Okay. So another option, the second option, you can just go ahead and open up the Bitget app, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go to the top left, tap on the profile icon. And then in here, go ahead and tap on, beside your profile, you have the right arrow key. Okay. You can go ahead and tap on notifications. And then in here, as you can see, we have the layout, which includes notifications and reminders, site messages, push notifications, do not disturb, something like that. Okay. You can tap on it and customize it if you want to, or you could go ahead and disable it all. Okay. As well as promotional notifications right here. Okay. It could be via pop-up window, or it could be via email. You can disable all toggles if you want to, for spot, features, and bots as well. Okay, it's really up to you. Just use the slider to turn off or turn on, and after that, you're good to go as well. And that's how easy it is to turn off Bitget notifications. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.